Hi guys, today I explain to you the example of the Cambridge IGCSE exams. Paper 1, question 1. Write 17,017 figures. 17,017 in figures. Find the number of minutes from 17.58 to 20.13. 1 hour 15 minutes equals 60 plus 15, 75 minutes. The number of cars parked in a car park at 9 a.m. recorded for 10 days. Complete the stem and lip diagram. Fourteen, 7, 4, 0, 7, 4. Zero, 2, 0, 2. Write 67, 89 correct to the nearest 100. 67, 89 correct to the nearest 100. 8 greater than 5. Then we can write 6800. Write 67, 89 correct to the three signified figures. 67, 90. Write down a fraction which is equivalent to 3 over 5 equals 3k over 5k. Write down the reciprocal of 7 equals 1 over 3. A cube has a volume of 1000 cube centimeter. The volume of a cube equals 10 cube. A equals 10. Calculate the surface area of the cube. The cube have 6 square face. A square equals 100. 6 multiply 100 equals 600. Dan either walks or cycles to school. The probability that he cycles to school is 1 over 5. Write down the probability that Dan walks to school. 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5 equals 4 over 5. 4 over 5. There are 200 days in a school year. Work out the exact number of days that Dan cycles to school in a school year. 5x equals 200. X equals 40. Here is a list of numbers. Put a ring around the number with the largest value. 1 over 3 equals 0.333. 3 over 10 equals 0.3. 33% equals 0.33. List numbers. 0.3, 3 over 10. Complete the statements. 6 meter is the same length as millimeter. 1 meters equals 1000 millimeter. 6 meter equals 6000. 7000 square centimeter is the same area as square meter. 1 square meter equals 10,000 square centimeter. 7,000 square centimeter equals 7,000 over 10,000. 10,000 equals, simplify, 7 over 10 equals 0.7 square meter. ABCD is a pentagon. ABCD is a pentagon. Explain why the diagram shows us the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. Do not measure any angles. Do not measure any angles. Explain why the diagram shows that the sum of the interior angles of pentagon is 540 degrees. Interior angles in a triangle total equals 180. Triangle ABE. Interior angles total equals 180 degree. Triangle BEC. Interior angles totals equals 180 degree. Triangle EDC. Interior angles total equals 180 degree. Then we can write 3 multiply 180 degree equals 540 degree. 540 degree. Simplify, equals x cube multiply x power 5 multiply y power 4 multiply y power 3 equals x power 3 plus 5 8 multiply y power 4 plus 3 equals 7. Write 2020 in standard form equals 2.02 multiply 10 power 3. Next question. Kim knows that one angle of an isosceles triangle is 48 degree. Isosceles triangle 48 degree. Kim knows that one angle of an isosceles triangle is 48 degree. He says that one of the other angles must be 66 degree. Explain why Kim is wrong. Explain why Kim is wrong. Interior angles, the triangle total equals 180. Then we can write x equals 180 minus 48 degree plus 48 equals 180 minus 96 equals 84 degree. 84 degree. But he says that one of the other angles must be 66 degree. explain why square root of 3 is irrational. Because it cannot be written this fraction. 6 is rational number because 6 equals 12 over 2 equals 18 over 3 equals 24 over 4, but square root of 3 cannot be written two fractions. The mass m kilograms of a horse is 429 kilogram. Correct to the nearest kilogram. Complete these statements about the value of m. m less than 429.5, m greater than 428.5. Rearrange the formula 5w minus 3y plus 7 equals 0 to make w the subject. To make w the subject, 5w equals 3y minus 7. Both sides divide by 5. W equals 3y minus 7 over 5. Use the set notation to describe the shaded regions in each Venn diagram. Equals only A equals B prime intersects A. B prime intersects A. Next question. The radius of the sphere is 5.2 centimeter. Work out the surface area of the sphere. The surface area A of the sphere with radius r is A equals 4 multiply pi multiply r square. A equals surface area sphere equals 4 multiply pi multiply r square. Radius equals 5.2. 5.2 squares equals 5.2 multiply 5.2 multiply 4. 108.16 pi. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AB equals 5.2 centimeter. AC equals 12.4 centimeter. PR equals 21.7 centimeter. Find PQ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We can write AB over PQ equals AC over PR. AB 5.2 over PQ equals AC 12.4 over PR 21.7. Cross multiplication PQ equals 21.7 multiply 5.2 over 12.4 equals, calculate, 21.7 multiply 5.2 over 12.4, 9.1. 9.1. Next question. Children who go to the park. T. Children who play tennis. G. Children who play golf. 120 children go to the park. 50 play tennis. 50 play tennis. 75 play golf. 25 do not play tennis or golf. 25 do not play tennis or golf. $120 minus 25. 5, 9, 95. 95 children playing. 50 play tennis, 75 play golf. We can write 30 children play tennis and golf. 30 children play tennis and golf. 75 children play golf. Only golf playing 45. Only tennis playing 20. Find N T intersects G equals 30. Only tennis playing 20. Only golf playing 45. 25 do not play tennis or golf. Factors. 6 great common factor. 3x minus 4. Simplify. W 5 multiply 4 20. The nth term of sequence is n cubed minus 5. Write down the first 3 times of this sequence. 3 times. N equals 3. N equals 3. N cubed, 3 cubed minus 5 equals 25. 27 minus 5 equals 22. Here is a sequence of numbers. 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. Find an expressions for the nth terms of this sequence. Find an expressions for the nth terms of this sequence. Expressions. N squared plus k. N equals 1. 1 squared plus k equals 3. K equals 2. Then we can write expressions for the nth terms of this sequence. N squares plus 2. N squares plus 2. If n equals 2, n squared plus 2 equals 6. 2 squared plus 2 equals 6. If n equals 3, 3 squared plus 2 9 plus 2, 11. If n equals 4, n square plus 2, 4 squares, 16 plus 2, 18. If n equals 5, 5 squares, 20. 5 plus 2, 27. Correct. OAB. OAB is a sector of a circle with radius 9 centimeter and center O. Center O. Center O. The angle at O is 30 degree. Calculate the area of this sector. Calculate the area of this sector. Give your answer in terms of pi. OB sector circle with radius 9. Radius equals 9 centimeter. The area of this sector equals 30 over 360 multiply pi multiply r square equals, simplify, 1 over 12 multiply pi r square, r equals 9 square equals 81 equals, simplify, 81 over 12, 81